The bread meme coin is in a serious position right now where it's basically clinging on to an integral area of support. If we see more downside from this particular level, we could potentially fall even lower because it is losing this very integral 0.07 support region. Or maybe it's just going to turn into one huge bullish reversal pattern over here, being some sort of fancy looking falling wedge. I honestly don't know, but a lot of meme coins have turned into this really crazy head and shoulders pattern, and at the moment we don't want to fall short. We don't want to see the next layer of support written in, which is 0.05, but right now, we are in this downward motion. We're in this downward territory here, so of course, Brett has a long way to go to get back to where it was before, but it is still possible to see Brett get back to 0.24. Now, we need to see a lot of momentum to get there, but right now, it's still down a lot from the top, guys. It's still down a lot, and I don't need to be a mathematician to tell you it's down 70%. So 70%, of course, if it goes down lower, we might see it break away to 0.05, but we still have a weekly green candle at the moment here for Brett, which is $0.06843, $678 million market cap, up 4% on the month, up 4% on the week, and up 3% here on the day. Now, I do really respect the fact that Brettcoin are constantly just pushing out their token. They're doing a lot of exciting marketing. They're doing a lot of real events. They're getting a lot of big toys and teddy bears created and planting them around the world, as you can see, like this. I think this is going on someone's yacht, though, so it doesn't really count. But yeah, I think it's a cool ecosystem, and it's Pepe's best friend on the base chain. It is like the OG big base chain meme coin right here. So for sure, I think it is quite an interesting one. Now, if you are looking to buy memes, cryptos from anywhere in the world, make sure you use Best Wallet, which is free to download. The link is down below. You can use it on your phone. It feels very fresh, multi-chain, multi-wallet, non-custodial. It feels very much like an iOS product. What else can we look at, by the way, in this video? Because I think Brettcoin, whilst it's got upside potential, I don't know if it's got as much upside as this next one, which is called Salaxia. They've raised $40 million in a viral crypto ICO. Is it going to be the next 1000x? The potential is always there, but we don't know. It says this week is getting off to a great start with Bitcoin at 110K. Solana is approaching $180 again. Things are looking up after a brief weekend pullback. So top cryptos are pushing onwards, and memes could be coming back. This one, Salaxi, has now raised $41 million, which is insane, by the way. $41 million. And effectively, it's also the world's first Solana Layer 2 token. So looking at this, Slaxy crypto pre-sale, the Solana Layer 2, they've raised $41.19 million in 20 days. The pre-sale will end, and it says it's going to launch on some major exchanges, which could help deliver great volume and a very strong launch. This here, Slaxy is the next evolution in blockchain technology. It's going to help on the layer 2 side because it is a Solana layer 2 with efficiency, performance, and network congestion, failed transactions, and scalability limitations all at once. So definitely something I think is really cool and has a lot of potential here. Of course, never risk more than you can afford to lose, guys. We don't know what the future entails, but it is easy to get if you have a crypto wallet with crypto inside it. For example, if you hit buy with crypto button, there will be a link down below where you can visit the correct and safe website, do a bit of research, due diligence, and have a look. Now here we can see you can use MetaMask, Wallet Connect, Best Wallet, or Coinbase Wallet, and all you need to do is convert either Ethereum or Tether into your desired amount of tokens. So one Sol X crypto token is $0.001738 at the time of making this video. Tokenomically, they have 138.046 billion tokens. There we can see the tokenomics allocation and spread. And generally, I think it could be one of those big tokens out there that actually has a good launch and potentially could 2x. Like I generally feel good about this particular one here. So it's the last chance to sort of get into it at this price level for Salaxy, now with 77.1k followers. It says here in just 28 days, the Salaxy pre-sale will end. But that's not all. They're announcing their Igniter protocol where users and holders can create their own tokens, which is absolutely awesome. If I click here, we've got the Block Explorer, which is live. Really cool to see. We've also got the bridge, which is live. And again, really nice to see. And then we have the other two things like a DEX, which is coming soon, the Igniter protocol. There's a lot of layers of utility and fundamental value here with this particular token. So as always, if you've got questions about ICOs or you want to get trading signals, check out my Patreon down below. Join my Discord, which is free to join, and you might enjoy some trading signals there anyway, and ask about any ICOs or any cryptos and things like that. Check out the Slaxy token down below as well. Have a look at it. And what do you think of Brett? Do you think Brett has run out of gas? Do you think it's completely cooked? I'd love to know your opinion down below. Make sure you subscribe to 99 Bitcoins. We'll see you soon.